I walk this lonesome road with the moon above so high, dreaming of a tender hand and the sparkle in your eye.
I prayed through many nights for a love that feels so true. Never thought that I would find every answer here in you. What will be, that's what the old folks say. Love will find its way somehow, it won't ever drift away. What will be, darling, you're my destiny. Hold me close and let it show our hearts were meant to be.
They say a man can ride 1,000 miles, still never find a home. But I reckon home ain't a place, it's a heart, and mine's right here with you.
The years may change our ways, but the fire won't grow cold. Every wrinkle, every line is a story love has told.
So take this ring of gold and a promise made for two. Through the storms and summer sun, I'll be walking close with you.
What will be, that's what the old folks say. Love will find its way somehow, it won't ever drift away. What will be, darling, you're my destiny. Hand in hand we'll always know our hearts were meant to be. Maybe tomorrow we'll face the rain, maybe the sun won't always shine, but long as I'm walking with you, I wouldn't change a thing. What will be, that's the truth I see. Heaven wrote this song of love for you.